How is the year of return doing?
He's doing great.
Thank God. Year of return, that's a say gusu worries to come. Yeah, they again said the ambaya no be di ehun agro. Now gas 2019 be jana wale na ehun sa de na agro movie. Say yeti say ambaya bebre basa sana the movie na eba. But yeah, that's a pass wash ye nyam na me maudue musuom kan na make a decision to leave Sokohima. Ye be bo udua ni kofia ya masa ide ti be bi na be wale no because girl we na nka bro nya say campus eba wa be block ni nyina
obi abran from wish you Merry Christmas
obi amane she masa you have returned shine your eye you can't marry the girl and you have reduced everything around her to Claire. Once you are reduced to Claire see wanim wa be ji Sokoyi o koye hu ne to eto yi se na eto ne te taxes ye hu taxes ye hu ni nufo ye hwe ni widiem ye hwe nano enti ye wo before during and after ye rakufo me tu chama ono di before and after ba Ghana ha His Excellency President Kufuor nana do be chiawo na kai se me hampa ne mbae mu mama bu onyefe nana do mu mama bu onyefe kra as if they are afraid to chop the money. What is wrong with Nanado and the team? His Excellency Madam Nanado, I have not got in my hamper. Chop the money. Let NDC people feel that you are chopping the money. It's biblical.
It's biblical. So ubetna ubeye president so wudi sikane e wo honom no.
Prophet Oduro me chiao. O see a prophet nyina e wo Ghana ha nyina ne onu nyina o me ejimifo ne abodafo. Wonte
onu aka ho.
Some is a prophet.
O see omuma false prophecy.
One kasa. O see all the prophets. Mutie ejimifo atrufo adifo Ghana. Tie me na me kire. And you know also can wear a prophet. See, all the prophets in Ghana are fools.
So what's your take on that? I
have no take. Look, we have seen type of prophet Oduro before. Me, you know my problem. I'm not worried about Oduro and the rest. Nothing on earth can they do for us to stop worshiping God or start worshiping God. Nothing. Prophet Oduro, Usu Bempao, all the people, all the men of God. There is nothing they can do to change our mentality as Christians in this country. Nothing. Now, I've been over. Unim the ati of here. Unim the ati of Kruma, Prophet Oduro ever. Apraku my daughter.
Was he right?
He's right. Who says he's wrong? He's right. He's right. They are all fools. He's also a prophet.
But you're also a man.
I'm not a prophet. That's why I'm loud. So he has insulted all the prophets. And this morning, Usubaba is hurt for the insult. Because he's a prophet. Yes. And he says that Prophet Oduro's wife is his church member.
Prophet Oduro yere.
O si na ni church mo no tete ni yere no.
Ooh.
Ete de Oduro kan ni 100% no prophet atete oba no ho ofe. Ama waje na wale no. Ho na memedi me hu ko wure ma wale bia. He, so go ma me kan che obi a tie me chia ma bia mo bia me kan kire mo se. Afi atwa mu 2019 Councilor Luton. Asembia amanfa manu antum me serem fa nche me.
Adenti.
Enye bo apayo. Etra mani so. Ba me hyam bo. Thursday bia fiti eneko. Rainbow Radio 4. Mu amono ne. Asembia e besi wo Ghana meka bi. Di anfa me ho kura meka.
Hey.
Where bo sheke sia me hyam. Na me hyam bo mi de chia kese e modum a hyawfo nyina. Ashawfo amo Ghana. I extend my greetings to all the showers in Ghana. I side with you this December. It didn't go well. December we are going ye cry. I said, "Me tia say 24th night. I me call shower grounds 3. Obi anko 1 round by. Obi agina ho. Ni about 322.
I don't need a siskani ho.
Enye sika na ni onkrofo ne ba. Bro nya price so mutua. They want to pay old prices. And at 24th night they dey ayedi. Ono ma sha atade shining. Anko ya momo this month. And I mean if they tia And this is 4 girls no muja and so before them pay. And tell my girls in a bread. More chance to meaning or two for bonnet. Only park or your tour. Who were trying in New Year. No, I call ye Eddie back as a December. December was over Yashi. None of the no Susie Gedier. And this year, they are show for Ankoya Momunity. I shall for me Damasi. And Side Chicks Association of Ghana. Yamin Shram. Oma one de fufro. Oma when him dear kama. Send a bear fufra ya Money grofo krumbe koswa trim pasama. Or minor konanim. Because only the best licensure examination for husbands. Mika said, dear, said Namini Power Slamengo. Maybe I will be a side chick, maybe I will be a Catawanian vampire. Empire Modu. Empire no shit. Everywhere you are listening to me as a side chick, close your eyes. Let's have a word of prayer for you, all side chicks who have come to 2020. Father, in the name of Jesus, as I sit here as your son, I pray. I lift up all side chicks before you. All young girls who are going out with both husbands. Lord, I bring them before you. Protect them. Protect them. Guide them. Guide them. Any girl going out with somebody's husband, Lord, protect them against any wicked plan of any wife. Let any plan of any wicked wife be abolished in the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus.
Shut up, my daughter. Shut up, my daughter. You just got married. Shut up, my daughter. You just got married. Oh, Lord, listen to my prayer. She just got married. And you want to protect what you have. I open up her husband for side chicks in the name of Jesus Christ. Her voice is not louder than my voice as a servant of God. I pray, oh Lord, that any wife that is standing against any side chick, I reduce them to be silent. Finally, oh Lord, empire me both from Makum Yanko was around here by what? When I am here for, I don't be no peg. I would see the yaka. And the Mickey, say your papa for Padia. Miss Sao Sawangasa. You want yes with him. Or baby, I didn't go to plan and yabre. Our number drosu, Medron children, yes, same son while I did. Or baby, I want to Swadi Bodia. So be the Nicro Chimpra. Men Papa said, Manco Shannon say or not as any demo. And that day I may go pay. Miss Sao so henny. Fisruton. Nabe shia obi odi obi kunchune mana honden mana nimdie mana honden mana honden mana nimdie mana honden empa botie fo nyame yankopon obi aso oti na wade ho ne ho ayatan enu ti ni kurukura apo ohunu mesraw mana nya honden na ne ho nya fe ade bia wo ye nti a wo kurumpaw pe ho aduro ye ho aduro na ko ye na fi searching for nyina. Thank you for your licensure examination. May God bless you and keep you. Welcome to 2020. All our showers in Ghana. God bless you.
So
Amen.
This is your welcome address to, listeners and people out there this year. Is this how you are welcoming them?
This is specifically for side chicks.
2020.
Once they came, God didn't stop side chicks in 2019. Me, George, I should come and stop. Me, I'm not Prophet Odro. Me nyankopon no de ne ho wo ma shawo for that the first night come here aduma na me stop wo wo kase me jimi sha mouthpiece of God oma ba we use them only a licensure exams for husbands ya yen fire enu echi nye se bia ye too special a lack of opportunity na mo amanya opportunity no mu use ni ye na emere ne so a wa wutie me ye bien lines na do bi ku e call out but mo de na yi hu adi kire
o de ma me ko fa nyankonto mu nsem
mo de mo ko fa sansam no so mo fa na ya mo so mo nsikrom na me chia osofo prophet Isaac K Asante.
Okay.
Ono so si oye prophet ni bi na me nim se odu oye ya na kona na
so all prophets
obi amuna ye jibi for
enti na o prophet etia we na no kan ho
prophet Isaac Asante who ye jibi for according to Prophet Odro.
Okay, your friend apostle briefly makra.
Yes.
Afin
commenting.
Hey, waba.
You mama.
Hey, who buy?
You.
Na so who buy? Who buy?
Tell what tin buy. Na bank e grow ye di ni say.
Okay.
Afin swapa.
Afin dey swapa.
Mama mi.
Makra.
Say ntia to e be chia ba kuna kan ho.
Adio. Dey ko.
Ore mama. Mami kenis ni o man for premato e ni afishia fa ni afishia
afishia pa
of Ramato United Kingdom. Casaba Rabo Grand Vebremo, Pamta Yemfre, Yamote, Yankensi, Rainbow Radio International Sini, Napos, and Yawa Chere Omanfo. What Yanko Ghana 87.5 FM. Yebuma, Mantambes, Dum Yang, Tikra Network, Pito Manganem, Yebu from Papa Bruchira, Adumia Mobra, Young Studio Biatan Woho, Wangasum, Mawarati and Can, DAB Plus, Manchester, Astra TV, Eurobed, Europe, Asia, North Africa, Near Android, Blackberry, Nokia, Nina Benyen also, RainbowRadioOnline.com, RainbowRadio.co.uk, Nanoso Onion Ananton. And now of a pombo summon needed to share from film being any Dunkron, in film being any during 2020. After Fana imagine. Medin de Quadio a sea do answer. Napos, Nientim. Yow, young man must sabi when it them. Abangam on more to booth. Chess what now just can aden, ye, Jankari. Abango I man a bank yonka. Ama union worth for papa saying, Yadi, enye, yan obedin como. Na Bosumani, na bang the wonka, yet munchim bebre or manful. Saron and Prempe Bako Santimantem. Now Santimantem, your quack with Dincomo afa MPP for Zampobia Wadia to gra. One pomado manga nem was soon. Say, I'm an onfuna begin your mamma, Pietonia, Camisa Wapam. Warrior for 4 funty young Wapam, my dear Ghana from 1 to 1 day. Saranson, as I say, Ebako Ghana card registration equals so Kumasano. In where Dimpa. A cradonco, oh, Wakasa. Or shall I say, or can you caribou? No, your mammy Jane Mensa, or ye chang charoto say, bam cra. Also, ye Juma papa, and ye greedy. A yini and Yamote, Yankangsi, Tia Dingsi, Napos, Medo SC. Medin de Quajo, SC do answer, Menquay, Mewa, Memfa, and Gabweka. And to Suma, oh. What am I saying to Manzana Sukuaba or Naba, Mam being to Manza? Na Nina said, when you go from boys, you need one. Ain't it? Bow, hear me. Now, Betty dear, Nina, no chef restaurant. When I had young a fair ed, while you knew you had young view. Baby, I'm many. Near we are metrim, so go many are baby, many are. Oh, me announcement. Me announcement, Mammy. Nani Namuno, when I had younger water amount, Nabianga Wayar Mauno, Ayabanga, Ubedipa, continental local dishes. Nina and wood dear. F.A. I would have an apple of dinner tilapia on I biniade, the lawful, fried rice, any adina, a view of and Nina water amount, beef sauce, Nina on I. Now, Wakachiro se Burunya Bri be special, what it also cram on manful 30% discount. New Year's won't have to tell so. Ebi Adakro Pesal Yere and Sammy Bianga, Cocotel Yangi, Neddy. Now do you out of do Yeradian. No good chef restaurant was maintaining Chiro from 0302 907388. We can was Sukula runabout, one young yet dead. No quarry, one in the power domain. Studio 502. Emma Quenya, Emma Ghana had in Quasimini. So we a program. I'm sorry, and a wedding. And now Debu Okra, who few best out to Poma and Crofia. Woman come on, Studio 502, Baba Yeg Mayamon. Nanyam and Jenny are where we are say. Open your dead man on Nanagazo, Wabbing, or Yeg Manache. Hey, everything quiet so baby. Also, winning Nanagazo, say, yeah, meaning the Palmer boss. Also, man, Wabbing Womupa. From our Tiban for one up to 2 years, I win my Jumano. 0244 93 3944. Studio 502, the digital video expert, no size. F.A. no, Meraka Chireusi. Baby Biara war our person who Busia, Mutminia Quenya Casepa. Na Mutminia Quenya Case, and say, well, Busia Bequay, no Atiromuno. Baby Biara obey Biano who said Ampara, a baby's kitchen and catering services. No Quarum Casacasa. One let me a Mekwang Maudia, Miss Asset Tratenigum, to the Mekwangni, Gita and Katikunta and Katikunto, Jollof, F.A. plain rice, Benku, Fufu, Coconte, and F.A. Coconte pan, Meque, Dutch and Coconte Quang, Nina way beat Mango, and say a boo near Mo, Nina what to me war. If your baby's kitchen, our Abelenque, a free street, a crowd, EP church, and one in furniture offset, Trotro Street wɔbɛn Rainbow Radio International ha enti ane soko wia no ne opanyin na kodidi wo ho 0246 225221 Baby Kitchen, your best choice. Baby biara wo bia nso no kware na mema wo baby abedi dipa if you say soko opedidi kakra opeduan na area pop restaurant na medoroko odua wo ma onsa horo obenom na mema waduan ahoro obedi na jollof ene akokɔ a wafu abodwise ni nyina won aye bi wo ho potato chips ene nnuan ahoro bomodin ase obekɔ akwaye order wanya hoho bi a obesom oye dan no wura bi kɔsom hoho bi aduan wodi ni nye ti dan wo ba so benu nsupe na okom de ho aduan ni nye nti wo so benu nsupe bomodin se okoto aduan ho na 7 krofo aduan a won aka sampa ye bedidi wo ha ye ndi o ye nfi bomodin wo ye adwuma no pakop me awia wo ye delivery e ma manfo a ni nyina m deliver wo ye no e free yo pokuase ACP junction Estate junction na ope won a wa from 0208 183756 0206 379720 area pop and restaurant wansanwe juma ana aduan edem kronyin nkai bo ba pia bi nga yin sakan soko osmenya ntamti sabri mi diwo esi na oni na apam funu baba tua so na wodi nsemi to him nti soko so ma meko nti wonu no nti aso
o ko
you
Quiet.
Oh, crack, na fire baby.
Oba 2020.
Today.
Oba 2020.
Oba 2020.
And then it is no more pema.
And me kasa say no.
Hey. Ya wonu da ben.
Juada.
O ekojo.
You.
De bi omo phone asay. Jamai. Afi. Me be tro de bon na jamai.
Obi iti obema ya wo na juada.
Kojo. En kankan you started from K. Where we? But what is here for K? Ye track kojo no see the K. And no. Ajamai. Na a day sitting now, omo ye wo mu pa omo pema e kwabna fo.
Kwabna fo wo mu.
Ah. Obi e friend kwabna bia on pema.
Ah, yes de bia kojo see de bia the phone asay.
Ah, na me kasa me Professor Dro. Me nya peto Dro. Me kasa ma. De we ni sunu record dem say akwadi be the phone asay.
Obi odi kodia.
Ah. E ma pe.
Oye kohwini no.
Enyo mu nya kohwifu o. Omo ye nkrofo bi a omo di ugel achi a enche no meja o. Omo dija. Omo peto eto tua taxes. Omo peto.
Kojofo no.
Omo peto tua pa taxes.
Wow.
What taxes? But afia ya wura mu yi. We have foforo. Na ye be ye a lot of opening of telephone. Ye be din komo. Soko Thursdays ne de e be ye nkomodie. Wa ma no ne message ye be kan. Yen skippy.
Of course.
Telephone ye be bie. Asena be tro bia ye be ready because no kura ne say afi no ade ba kwa media simani so say asena afi be kwa awie ye no. Bon 1 bon 2 fo nyina be wale. Soko hima ye fe di agro. Eya dani abashe boni bi wo akuro yi mu. B1 B2 4 be wale. Ena mo nso ma wale na nsen ano ye calculate posumi am wale ye. Mo nim na mo nyim asena mo wo asena mene no so a ye betu dwa.
Adenti.
Mo tumi nya John Dumelo.
John Dumelo ni ye de.
Say ye wale wo bosumi mi ensan no abewo. Ye mpene. Wa guase a mayenim se wa guase ye nka se wa fom na tie ye be kire mu sunsum nyama me nka se mi man enko bi asum se oba walefo bi ate se wusoko hima oba walefo bi a wo hwe wa ase ba udware wa ase ba esisa ne diaper ehwe na degem bia no numi abeto so jai
Oba wanware a wo hwe na ase ba bia na na se ba yare
wa ase ba yale a enye wa sedie se wo be hwe no. It is not your responsibility to take care of your mother-in-law. If you are doing it, stop it now. This is 87.5 Rainbow Radio. And I am the one here.
Mebo.
Oh, bye. If I'm not finna buy.
no ma wale.
Nansia na wale.
O de me fa se ma wale.
Wale ncheye. Kase nansia na wale ye. Mo bia musa wale ncheye.
Na se mi kunu maami na se mi kunu papa e ho mfa no. Na se makọ no na se me boa na de yo na ebia me sini.
Ubetima ye bibia na wuti hu na deje muda. Your in-law is not your responsibility. Beme bi ode ne maami betene fie de man ni de so onhwe mbia no agimi fo. Afi me si asime mfa me hu nyame ka wo. Na Thursdays ne de. Ye be pon no wo a pe hia me. Wo a penso ye bie lines a ka obo so asem. Ye be ye kra ye voice note, ye be play voice note. Ye say microphone be to be type.
Yes,
and the WhatsApp line. Ye be voice note. WhatsApp ni nyina ye be ye. Ya ba de kire. What was say akom hye na ekoso eba no. So koima uka se na na do be win 2020 a. No obi ani age. Obi yeah good akom hye. Uka se mama be ba pe na tija. Etu pupa sumwi a. No ako Canada will win 2020. Open to kwa no aka mama will come 2020. Enti ye da ho kai.
Dia obe kana ye ntokwa.
Na do ye dey after 8 years. On be bio.
Nanando di embro boto ba kokura.
On be bio. What's the future Jesus?
Enti after 8 years na so obe kama mama asem.
There be now mama wanna gas after 8 years. After 8 years also ogas on your politics bio.
Sir.
Oh, na ne yiri se na ne yiri to san be politics side.
Ada ne yiri ide.
Say to time say to taxes. Unti ratigan.
Ne taxes na ada o taxes do so unti mi enye.
Enye no ye ngwase a mo hia koya ma sese anu ho akiri ne yesi oyali.
Na se nye mo ono ne de nye mo hia de ni bi.
Na ese mo tie mo hia se me ya ne se wa wudi mo hia wa nkasa wudi mo hia. Nokura wo ne se bronya ba enkrofo epemema epema tudo emba omutu ato na wo kwa akoye to a sama mu ni ntinu akoye ni December
na wan na ka che o se mo hia to no wakoye
sokoima wo se ohia ya shedman kasentia esa branch obebe so sesa oto awale the first thing we are experiencing from you is a toss sesa dear year of return papa na ka che so sesa oto mesre no
onsem to no nyam dey
so to a flat
ma beje oto akoba bi
one show wedding video no
ma beje oto akoba bi da
tama ba sa be sa
me se ma beje
enye akuapin polu asem no me kan wo asem
islam bi se se da ben ma bebo prum safe
there be so
me fa oto ma me fa
me kire wo se eto na different ya wo de de tenase de de pem mema de de tu akola
and
de de shise
na ewo meti
enti da no wan say ma ye hu de wo
I'm proud of it.
No,
I like
you
it.
can't say you are not proud of it. You have a sitting posture, not a bath. No, it's a sitting posture. But there be a asetna ne hame. I say who see kroma ye ka say soko.
And na sa me na ni pagi na endi meti because of me to na dey.
Say see ya wale.
Na dey.
First na wale yanka.
Mo ka ho na krofo ahono mo to ahona.
Mo we shall your mistake na say o twen no ye in 2020. Amati ye nisu. And me, I'm encouraging you, Moesha Budon, as you are listening to Rebel Radio right now. Please go and expand the other side of your butt because it has made it like Abelekotokuna wokolomo joba. Efe afa half. Afi ye be suan there. Ye be the road to marriage. From this month, February, show me de bano.
Odo.
Me ya a group ya a friend. Time with the beautiful ones in Ghana.
Hey.
Valentine's Day no only for beautiful girls. I'll have time for the ugly ones, but this is only for people who are beautiful.
Baboko dear, okay, I'm fine.
I mean, I am your guest, and
so whether you are fine or not, I don't have an option.
No, you have an option because you are the one who is hosting me, and if I am not correct, Bokodia, equally.
No, but how can you tell me, sir, you are hosting beautiful ladies, and then next time you host ugly girls? And
let me tell you, this thing I'm saying, it's not like Miss Ghana girls who came to say that they have inner beauty. No, I am not hosting inner beauty. This is not Miss Ghana. I'm not hosting inner beauty. I'm saying this year Valentine night, I am doing a nice time with beautiful girls. Ugly girls, wait for me. Your turn will come.
So why not ugly girl?
Go and ask God. Genesis chapter 29, the Bible says that. And the Lord said, when Jacob went, he saw Rachel, beautiful, no consumptuous, edible, onabo, oba no ofe, utmi tafri wano sa no nya dry lips, e chirem na dane crack lips. What was it? A man's mental erection becomes prolonged because there may be here 11 erection a day and you need 3 to 5 a night. There may be a way for bread. Hey, oh, wumpo. Now, so the idea is so baby and who are tiny or the Nasia Nage. Or ban who are fennel, a ya almost the almost blockage. Who's your so beko? Check the records. I feel you be sure the end. Yeah.
Or ba ne who fennel. Or no pharmacy.
And then normally I won't fair. Any man who is married to a beautiful woman is struggling in bed sexually.
Hey! And now, I'm on your friend there.
They give any time. Because he said one more time. One farm mawa, then aka. Or once in only she crown, the other person say, Eti Jacob, Bible say, and now Juna ya wali ya delay and what time man. Or really, who difference? I do agree sometime, and I'm Hosaneno. Or some copy of one who say, I did see ya. Jacob was shutting password. Why never go up here? Why don't know? Sorry, I just got up here. So now lay and whole time about now so no one who says look, the downfall of a man is not a woman. It's the private part of a woman.
The downfall of
a man is not a woman.
The woman, but
it's the private part. So a man can chop a private part that the face is not equivalent to the body. The thing is that Obetima we are saying we because your Facebook live. The ambassador Michigan say Obetima you on Kaiso Wayo. Hey, uncle, I greet you. Also, yeah, how are you? Hey, you can't remember me. I see you. Hey, oh, okay, Auntie Agatha's daughter, Auntie Gadebenta. I am there. I am. Edinburgh. What name? What? I am Yvonne. Yvonne from where? Yvonne. The name that the Lord is leading me to mention Yvonne. And I am Yvonne. Which of the Yvonne? Oh, you remember the last time at Kofodia? Oh, okay. It's your mother that is selling that. It's not my mother selling. Adia, why you refi? Bema we are not refi. Bema be out here, my dear, be away in 100 Ghana or Ghana. Yeah, they called Dubai last week. I called in $1,000. And told we are Tiwanim, Nawi, Nashen and Coupon, and Union. Afi. Ye badi suya. Ye basi be suya, Jama Wadia ye. Awadia be a brebia ye be gum. Obia Wukunewa. Where dear Fiabro so on wale, Adani no Miama, Brani infuse, where Yakwanchrea, if you prophet to do, where Yansan. Ye bet you didn't say Kuna. You see, me mom na posu, and yet their branch who are na posu, and you will tell this eba, Rainbow Radio. Introducing to them what they should expect in 2020. What must I say? Now,
baby, why you kuna for 1 year?
A Kunayon after 1 year, it ends there. I didn't say ye kuna. Say only Berman that time back. It's a young kuna say ye be a wu yano. And now can't ni chinigu your cord the chino. Won't ana. And Yama Busumin Kron. Near say your basha yamana. Send a beer, you know bet me a papa. After that time, no, Uhunya time, I say Wale. And to be a Ukunawu, I would 2 or 5 years, 15 years, 8 years, and Walian. May die 5 years, 2 no, and I've been very faithful to myself. My husband died more than 5 years now. Nothing is happening. I'm married to Jesus, wicked woman like you. Why are you not getting married? Why?
Is it by force?
It's don't ask me that question here. Never do that to me again in my life. What do you mean by is it by force? Say Namoye. Munya wale we na mama microphone can for two for no jam machine. It's my force.
But and you be no who say snatching so worry. I mean, many maybe a casa they have accepted.
Said
say your baby no basa.
How old are they? Those you spoke to, how old are they?
Oh, some are 40, some are 35.
So they are MFS. When you get to MFS, that's how you talk.
MFS.
My fan is it's a stage in life. My fan is MFS. Dear Adi di mi besi bia ma pneso. Ma pneso. Dear Adi di mi besi bia la ma peneswa mano pueke o. Omudu ha sa no muka. Anyo bia de born ma wale. Marriage is not meant for everybody. And every child that is born is a blessing. Shut up. Shut up. This year, born once, born twos, born threes. Shame on you. Come out and tell people that this was a mistake, but I want to make it right. This year, there was it. Ya dia manaka obi ena akwala na ya won ne de on dia on fa ho nyinsen eye from yare. Eye born disease. Me be south sokoyima. Oti o wanyum da the man answer your Facebook live. Man answer. Why? Questions will be say man answer why? Because the rainbow life. Bloggers no some twen. Mo twen. Lebe ne me chiao. Mrs. and cancer say approach Mrs. and cancer on chole be ne bio. Ote, dia me pese yesuan say afi no. Ye sha asie ye. Ye ma bibia akoteton, akoda ba bi ese da. Mo awon nkrofo no kunu mu atwempla. Me hia mo bo say ti wanim na mpra atwe no ma bibia nko ye. Me kire de ese o ye be ma wutie me a wafa o yire chi a wakowo akwala o ba bi. Utie me a me mfra o yire mbo na amane. Be ma utumi fro yire ka chen sa adoa. Man kan kire no me wu a be me ya. Me ni ga bi akọ wo se bia wo ye jimi fo jai ye nya ne sa so gohima be ma onye mo ba wo yire chi a ye nkan kire wo yire ye ka che obusuafo ga bi anso ani obi kunu ko apa ne busuafie fie onye mo afa wo kunu obu maame no o papa no enko ne busuafie oba bi a wo tie mi a ga bi de nyinsan beba mu matrimonial home abraka se dey matrimonial san or the word bi buy Unima brakwa.
No, me.
Efia brakwa.
Minim no.
Boy no wali efia o hot na efia pama no.
Na me ni around.
Na ni kuro mu.
Yeah.
Wo se dia wa bond dia na wo he.
Me too kwan se na me ni.
Tama braka ko chi efia se obi eda ne paso.
I wasn't around.
And when read wo social media so.
No.
Suro na usuro ka fe di guest kia kana soro.
Why ke soro bani na.
Bani na. But the ganiba.
Na itafia.
Azan koliko.
Usuro.
Abro kwa ni efia record setting and record breaking. Abro kwa wo if you herself ne boa man go to if you now you me boa nkomo. Ogoto efia ni ge baba bi o she space e wo ne pass o she lens. And na nipa o she lens nso de ono girl call at me usuro.
But what is right about this? I mean, what better o yirimpo say oni obi fufro. I mean, why do you have to pick your phone and video and take it out?
Video. Did he video? He didn't video. Did I block a video?
So who did that?
Can you call FBI and ask?
You can't say, sir.
It's the one that recorded here.
Nobody knows, but we saw it out there.
Because I block a coin. The only baby go if you are soon yama, no one record one. That video one at the bar out. Because if you have a cast, I won't share video. I
mean, you're fair, no truth, but that doesn't make it right.
What is making not what right?
No, I mean, only obi because she, Mami Kacho, recently there was an issue. I know now a lady be air can say only guy be a dating. They are in a relationship, all right. I mean, the son guy no, ne WhatsApp. Yes, some portino they have somewhere be omo yeno. And all your messages are about phone is like a guy.
Okay.
Why do you have to do
that? Adia mo nim say constitutional right ni say article 18 subsection 5 ni say the right to privacy yawodia. And to obema bi awawale say awutie me wo phone na tie me. To obu ase we nyanya nkontom nsem we nyansasem with Councillor Lutrot. Wo phone na password ni so aye jimi for password to say ah.
Bema awaware on ne erect na password ni
me say for password to phone so say ah. Or baby, our password ukrunim sesa sesia fani want to so. Now one phone number password is all you Jimmy for. Ah, what right do you have to pick a call him say? Missy, you better communication. This year, we Thursdays in the war be missing. Upa Missy shows na canina and a Thursday. Because I'm a here. So Ima, unim say, uni right so we pick up phone call. Semi friend.
I don't have the rights, but when you want to say Jaya,
unim let your store be dino. So he can mix a call and call me back. And just say Jaya and then you found. Home. You see the problem? Eti okunu phone a ring it. Now fire. Hello. Oh, this is Mrs. Kobe. Oh, Mr. Kobe is at the bathhouse. Please, can he call you back? So what is important about you picking the call? What did you do for me? What did you do by picking the call? Tell me. Then I hear. What did you do?
some leaks information in my
What did you do for me? I wanted to talk to him. Did I talk to him? No. But the call went. My credit went. By a useless wife. Line be a ringing with fear. Bema jiso. Hello. Not just a fear honor. Or penny ni fear. Or mamu go fear na Jimmy for. When a landline rings at home, it has to be picked by a female voice. Either the house help, your wife, and not the man in the house. So the landline is for the woman. And to one so I know be train plan. What friend the phone sa on fa. Girlie, we are dying. We are cranny. Now we free fear line. Olu mini fear. No no trashing a line. Mini potonto okele. Cafe bulu. O fecho sa ko dia kesha tawali. Tie. You be share their communication. So go ima. O baby a ufa ukunu phone. E picking number was so. E free girl no. Hello. This is Mrs. Kobe, the wife of Mr. Kobe. I want you to know that Mr. Kobe is married. I am the wife. Have respect for marriage so that you can also get somebody to marry you. How can you be calling somebody's husband at ungodly hour? So no pampa so ungodly. God near ojiaine call your own. The ordinary one of friend call anytime. I choose to pick. Why should your wife's phone ring? And that should bring confusion at home. So Kohima. Why do you have to receive a call after 12 midnight? Is it your phone? Is it your phone? This year you will see there. Sa gadget here friend mobile phone e buy ye mpese begu yenim ase. Ye nim yusu. Oba bia wo time atu fa call anytime. Ukunu kunu abutu so. Na wakosu hum obeba nsan want to fa call. Hello. We are busy now. When we finish 2 rounds, I'll call you back. Take care. Bye-bye. No, that's all.
Maybe I'm more about short time.
Anytime. Short time, put say where jai. You may see where jai. Kafra.
Yeah, short time.
Short time need your way. Anywhere there.
Media meaning.
Now, if you in a buy.
No.
So why we yet seen it? Oh, yeah, dear pal. Why are you?
No, that's what I will say.
No, what is called short time?
I don't know.
I'm a sex therapist, but I don't know short time.
Okay, let's go.
What is short time?
Yeah,
listeners are listening. Teachers, now you are married. Your pastor will not think anything. You know.
I know, but I mean, me I make a say.
So a friend has never taught you what is short time.
No, you were saying, sir. Sir, or maybe I only ukunu edampem na. I mean, things are going on. I call back. I can pick, and I'm saying you can pick to tell the person. Probably it's short time. Maybe it's here.
This is the time, man. Me can't say for the young fatu.
I mean, I hear them saying short time.
But short time, near 1 minute, 3 minutes, another.
I don't know.
Go bet me the why fatu see how wali.
Me.
Answer now wali now how many minutes?
Me.
Who are as a virgin?
Oh yeah.
And now so say when your age now go here test no.
Some you so blade, me so ada nyama.
Until now we are virgin e wale o.
Yeah.
Nyankopon da was say so ko hima so no tie obi antimi awe okoro mu ase na be mai bai. Ghana mema mo amanya kwali so ko. Mu ye jimi for papa.
Okay, so this year
these are the packages we are doing, and we are going to also help in-laws. We're going to treat a lot of topic on in-laws because managing in-laws no I headache we are my. So go him I think na wa wale abewo what ma say. Nyame so be wa don with ma wo en kankan se be ma na one ne tie ne hu so njimi ye de a what ma say so to me nyimo. and baby omu yigua a pi to say popo sukoko uni popo sukoko abele mamu koko emie pi koka wale tin jofu baby yi spam sanet so me dem yi nsu a tick say bibi tick ne nye tick bi amayi wo hospital da ma test tick o emwa ne bi woti omu ni nan ebi wo nan omu ni ti enti omu nya moving sperm omu ye stagnant sperm no ada ni koko enti so hia be ma ni hu so me hia bi nso na ye light say nsuo active sperm enti wuti we hia active sperm dia obanyem na wonyem na wo akai say enya wukunu maami asede se ode ni beyie ba badware akola maami bia wo ba be ma wo a ukose wo kwakodware wo nana no ye beifo
Hey!
ye be sua dia afi yo.
No, I think so but me actually no say so beifo say ebia eni kwan say oye onim but say o ka say oye beifo a no
na wana kai
nyawo
say du so na ka de obekan aden ka kpo mi ya na ka fi ole mi ni ye be sure dey because one say where the confusion can see abefie bebre oba ni nyime ya na ya start ya where the menana na awu no ma bedware no wo be pede ho wo be pede it is not your right
why mama na so be
e your ba ni mama na tu hu na ne ba na de jam kai say wuti we wase ba so koima you very careful say your mother-in-law will never see your nakedness. Say accidental na me de becha wo. E deliberate abeda ni ekesama. Your mother-in-law is never supposed to see you your nakedness. Never, the word is never. Ena oba kwa awoso a, okwa awoso no oba what ma say. Onyama bebria odi tutudwa. Ebu anase ehhehye no. Nase a ye obi e fe no vaginal lacration. Etete kakra bi ni apam. Ente to bi a or manage lacration. Ebia owo ye no nim se na tie hona ye say aye say bi nti opo bi di akere. Nipa otumi de kire no feeling free. Ebe ne maame anane maame achirifuo ni maame achiba anane maame busuani bi. Your right is always for you to be comfortable with your family members from your mother's side, but not your husband's father's side or your husband's mother's side. You feel? Enti wase ba eba no say me ba 1 week now ma me bra 1 week me su eba ifo or the beye be sha akola me ma ne ma no ma akola ne beye no e wo wu kun ni be mamu dada enti me mo fa bi nka ho e se wase ba ye be ifo na ne ba be ma na wa de be ifo na so wi no ore no or the beye be ma na ere enti ma wo be ifo ba enya afi no be top up enti ye be sua se e ye hwan asede so ko wonim sa uti we esa wo plan ya wo. Don't just allow pregnancy to come because uti we ukonyim at the wrong time. It will affect a lot of things in your life and you regret getting married. So we are going to teach those who are getting married. Like Kaki, you see now saying Kaki Kowari 2020.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Worry 4th January.
And a traditional marriage.
Yes.
Miss Reberman is a woman fanning koya wedding.
I didn't.
No wali bin canon.
Ah.
Mesrano o tie mi a mon kan kire no kaki yire kaki kunu mesraw menya wedding no de ontumi ware bi nkan kaki nko a ware nso abebre
adenti
so e ba ko pe
na o ware o baba o ware o yire pe wa
se ndina me brei
o bre
ati me tufu omu dada yen se ye be kire omu dada yen se kawe a ye hye eye asori awade ye mebo a eye ntro e aban awade asori ni awade. The church doesn't have marriage. This is legal marriage. The marriage for God is polygamy. Awale dodo ni nyankopodi hira bema. Bema bia awale dodo onyinche nye sika dodo hwenkwala ni bebre. It is okoyima you have to plan when to get pregnant. And yes say abrante a year of return awale winti say ya mo wi keke. We are going to teach people what is called safe period on Rainbow Radio. Said dabe na betima wi abewo dabe na wi ahontumi wo ni nyina be kire wemori na ma wo nkwala omo ye plan for because statistics say 56% of children in the world are unplanned for. What must say? Enti me ebre no.
Now before you baby phone lines now,
yes.
Let's look at this. Counselor, who worry ya? Ebi onuma within the week ni cry na kof dey na worry ne cry no master it. Hey, ye tree na no. Ye tree.
Well wishing message.
Obi to me Oh, obi ti me from bi say munye ne ntamo.
And a well wishing message. They are wishing you well. And no bonny.
Well,
so
after a year, never mind. 2 years, never mind.
So we are going to teach people when you are delaying marriage, when pregnancy is not coming, because counseling na yeah, nothing you post-marital counseling and a premarital counseling. You're planning when to get pregnant. You don't get pregnant where you not plan it. You have to plan pregnancy. And the year of return from plan I'm going to be 2 or 4 for pregnancy. See yenim. And you are declared barren when you have consistent sexual intercourse for 2 years. Clinically, we can declare you barren or sterile. Hansi Nebeka said, "Untumi wo na say enfie mienu wo ne be ma da pa ba akoso machine so samo da pa ba akoso bo na mo hyeso ide yenim ye de say you have lived with the man for 2 years, so sexual intercourse has happened. And a bema bia wutimu ya ding a usuro nyame e wa nyankopon akoma no ono yiri da bia.
Uno yiri da bia.
Yes.
Na constant uno yiri da bia.
Mawalo.
Say me be so.
Me ni ho na be ko wale year of return.
No.
Ono da bia.
No, me nim so wale.
Ono da bia.
When wo kana me be so.
Enti me na sia na wale.
Ono yiri da de na me be so.
Da bia me ne da. Na me cho se na sia na mo wale.
Da bia ono yiri da.
Da bia me yiri ya black am ne da. Ubenya ona po. Ona.
Yes, chiwa de oba bu ni nsana ne.
One kind.
I mean get
obi o kan sa kire obi o mo boa no mo nti ase ye wo hwe metro ye wo C4 C5 C3 calcium e wo ba ase so menstruate a be ma utumi de obi ma hye no ho a wa wie protection forever. He ahonde bi wom ye wo zinc benefit bi wom wo tem pampan nti say dade bi arasti. Oh my god ona po
bro.
Only wine na breast here. Aduma ye ne ye hye ase o.
Aduma na de.
Fiti da be.
Hey.
So be an the master. Kura ye tim no. Your masters wa.
No, but I'm looking at it say how are they be every day ubetimi no ye we ada.
So go you meant guy your worry on every day.
Me timi bom so no betimi am timi.
What do you mean by that? No, you can't do this to the guy.
No, but I can't. No, but why would you be sleeping with your wife every day?
So when should he sleep with you? When?
Every day now from.
What? I
mean, why?
So what's
don't
your?
You do anything?
Now, what do anything? So no, do anything.
Don't you travel?
Travel, and so you want the man to travel?
I mean, wouldn't you be is it always about sex? No.
So Gohima, we are going to teach people to understand that the only reason why a man will marry a woman is because of sexual intercourse. That's all. Nothing again. I didn't marry my wife for anything. I married her because of sex.
It will be more financially.
Or there any financial?
She supports you sometimes.
Who sent her?
I wish your wife is listening.
No, my wife is listening, and she's even watching you live on Facebook.
Okay, then she should stop.
Stop what? She's not doing anything, so why is she stopping?
No. So because more and
okay, so at the end of the day, this is another topic we are treating this year. A man who waits for the wife's salary to do budget is a fool. He's a kotobonkish man. A man must take care of the house. And the Bemesika need if your bicycle and idea.
Why is it need to light bill?
Bemesika.
Why is it need to know Diane?
Bemesika.
Why is it and you need to fear near man?
Bemesika.
Why is it need to sham cry?
Bemesika.
Why is it need to sit down?
Bemesika.
Or bicycle the other.
And your pen or dear. Your baby, I will you couldn't be a joint account piano. We are Jimmy for.
Say be a joint account.
For what?
That's your
Wine, am I wine?
Yamma.
Only wine bar.
Oh,
baby, I niba. I call a beer, bear, my dear. Me didn't bank on the idea. 18 materials is here and materials is you'll be able to me. Many I do who you say, come 1,000. I'm eating yes, Cadia Coto week. Not 1,000 years, Colani fees. Maybe I'm not going to week. No matter who had mistress and then negotiated to your fees in one city. Because they are Uncle Mama coin. Who cast me Jimmy go to Uncle any fees? Now me eat it in Winya Tanta, no Casentiame, may be that. May you wear fair, no him saying Colani fees, and I'm little weak man or Beman Colane Bumi. Meniache. So a man whose interest is the children and not the wife, you will die early and become a foolish ghost in town.
Can you come again?
How they out there? Fifikate fit, cattle tiamata. It's here for me, Chiam.
No, I didn't get it. Right.
You didn't get it. A man whose focus is children in marriage and not the wife will die a foolish death and become a wandering wonder ghost in the cemetery.
I know the cracker is saying.
The cracker is saying, "Oh, Walia, or bad never this wedding when young Kwalano." Me, I don't chat with my children. They are not my chatting mate. They are not. I don't. The only time I talk about my children is when my wife brings their conversation as a topic for us to talk about. So if my son, I tell them every day, if you don't have respect for your mother, you won't get anything from me. You will not get anything from me. Because listen to me carefully. Okay? If you take care of your children well, and you don't take care of your wife, you will never survive. But if you take care of your wife, automatically your children will be taken care of. I can't go to town and buy something for my girl and come and give it to her to wear. No, I won't do that mistake. When I buy, I give it to the mother. Then the mother will give it to her to wear. And the mother will send her, go and say thank you to daddy. Papa yeshia, a job of you. What am I saying? Na me toss I seen si dine na my Jimmy is kakra combo roofing. And you see one is an ambing. Or basic idea. Or baby, I do see guy chef you be a ukuna to your light bill, no neutral water bill, no wale. A business venture. Munko Jim my certificate, no business limited liability. A man's money takes care of the house. Rent, nedia, school fees, nedia. Or baby, I would you wali, and you was kind of way or tibiumu, and so couldn't have. We gear share ukuna toyana. Otia. Now, so chair, who got father when you swag away Jimmy dear.
Many sass, I
said, Brother, you weren't shade, dear. So, how many people buy? I call crowd and say, Oko.
Why when I'm a crown, not some in Yabi Biffy Mikuno.
Oh, you can't say, man, yes, so Mazuku. Ah, now I can be free. Now, Brother, be a news. I'm talking about your ex boyfriends. They didn't bring you anything.
I don't have ex.
They are very wicked.
I don't have ex.
Anybody who dated Sokohima before marriage, please send me your number right now. We are live on Facebook, Rainbow Radio, 87.5 at Tija.
Counselor, wiki mona, I think Monday no. Now we're arguing on this, maybe possible. Say, afimu.
Possible, Pemba.
Minim dear, this is we are. No, I said like all things are possible. In nickname no. No.
Go I beni akebeni.
Ah no. My friend Yao.
The friend then
Yao.
Yao. Hey, they nag more than anybody in relationship. They nag. Omudi Yao.
They're always in pain.
Every day.
Wow.
Or that was so crowd be sent past yourself. So am I the only person who is having sexual intercourse with you without condom? Shall do basu be same way? Yeah, no, and your man a bedroom. Yaw for. No.
Yeah, share. Or baby or honoma. Only baby be call out. Now on one dianemano. Or the Nisika no dianemano, all in the name say. Alice obey Winnie Bear money hats now warren. What's it? Afi the road to marriage. You know, sure what is courtship, what is dating, what is steady relationship, what is friendship. Adia ba question baby a wutie me kai ne say, or baby a yan wale wu a wu nu aduane e de age a wale bia e Jimmy for. Oh, send me bia be man hwe me man se wo boa. Na obi sa me obi ka se me boa fa ho. Why dey na etie? Why dey na etie? Una ukura platform. Ah, me dey na etie o. Me nya DC. Me dey na etie. We mu nyoma ka nyom. It's not good for a man to be alone. Any boy is a boy. They are boys. Now, ladies are almost musika no aduane man. Oh baby, I do aduane musika no aduane man boy. Said then as a cook, philanthropist, NGO. Say bia onini deity. Na no be deity or no da e ashawo bra ye di tu ohia ase. Dating is not a relationship. That is why if you are a young girl listening to me and you are dating one guy for more than 14 days in a year, future destiny. So spread your wings. 20, 15, 18, 21. Build the capacity. Me before I got married, I dated 32 people at the same time. 32. Me birthdays, me to me cake 12,
15 because omo me dating no here for omo work akra wom omo mu ni bi yet me the cake basa 15 birthday cakes me birthday na me come to table na cho bia ntena ho me ma mbetena ho girl bia na kese me ware ne pa bibia kire se omo bia mi ankasa me ni wakoma se me ware unni ja we ni jae me ma birthday na ko cha the cake oh onim she gave my mother birthday cake on my mother's birthday and that is why I broke up with her. What do you mean? Who are you? When did you come and cake as who? How did you introduce yourself? And she said, do what on Toma Koma, a brand tabi or no CS of what do Jimmy for? Hey, Messi Yanwalewa, you don't have right to do anything for any man. Don't cook, don't wash. When you go and visit, at all I wash here. Eyempra, Kasani Chi, Kasani said the ompra. And to corner moon ko late and fi on tem. Who con tem SN fi ho late. Momudian reverse osmosis. It's about Jimmy Sawo Cream. Who quack trim plan. Ah, yet to tell what the oko you and him. And I send a t-shirt. Not the general. Don't cook. Don't wash. Don't dust. Who got Sana Yama ye fine gua. Botra. Nako transiti room ho. Who corner the chair bars a chair one communion majana sa. Who call any fear ye fear? She send a fiend and says the bam so while another bread hatching. Then sound so prime. Don't be a house help. Wo be a wood tear me, I would ya see what I've been pisa, Branton and a train prano, who was seen in Yama, who were near Dianaman, but one enough for two, he has one bushim, Jenna, Manintia. Memma on for one she so and send me and Dianamano. Aden, a energy booster. And I want also. So go him. Don't do anything until you're married.
Only need dating at least, so yeah. Because
so
that's who go like, well, or me fear, because that me fear, no,
so you are unkept. That your house is not decent. You are not helpful. You are disgracing your family. What do you mean by that?
Okay, make it kind of Facebook messages.
Yeah, kind of.
Mofat Mackenzie, I said there are several reasons for born 1 and born 2. It's not a disgrace.
It is a disgrace because born 1, born 2, which are your reasons? Your reason is because your husband died as a widow, marry again. Your reason is that the guy has sex with you. He says he's not the one who is in charge of the pregnancy. Is that your reason? Because when the two of you are having sexual intercourse, you didn't plan to get pregnant. So it's unwanted. So which one is... And so tell us that this baby was not planned for. If your husband dies, it's a different story. People are married and they've lost their husbands, all right? So there we don't categorize them as born 1, born 2, born 3. They were formerly married and they've lost their husband. We are talking about the born ones who are most are celebrities in this country are born 1, born 2, born 3. I see if they are B1, B2, B3 applying for visa to America. I don't know where they are going to. And I'm saying that they are not proud of their mistake. They are still repeating their mistake. Ask them. Some have 2 children without any plan with it. And they are still having, some of them are even doing abortion. Some of them are on contraceptive. Why are you on contraceptive right now? After having children out of wedlock? Because you are planning now, you are having common sense. First one I'm a year, Mamba who buy me way. And she said, when you answer, Yana Wale, son of a channel.
Boafo said, I say, I'm enjoying the program said from in Sekina, Priska Taylor. I say, a lady should be able to protect herself from pregnancy if she isn't married. And now for you are mixing. I say, with password or no password, the stupid jealous man will still use transporter to hack into your phone.
Yes, yes.
I think that's what they are doing.
So they're hacking into your phone with a transporter. Anytime there's a hacking process, there is a de-hacking process too as well. When you make a guy buy you an iPhone, it's easy for them to hack it because they register it within their system. There's a way to block it. There's a lot of things to do. But any guy you're going out with, who is, trying to see where you are, what is going on, being possessive. We are going to teach you on this show this year that there's a difference between protection, possessiveness, and love. Possessiveness cannot be love. And now, and I'm here program here upon, say program upon 12. Now 12, 15, what share him? Mujina him. Now time and abeduha. And your dog. Insecurity. Won't so say, son, I want tiano. Who and ya near kuna or usine too. The man said, I call Walio Bia or no Sunisia too.
More fat, Mackenzie say, I love sea counselor, Okala, Okala. I think short time is somebody waiting to do what you are doing. So get up.
So sometimes obi da also. Mokwaya no bekwaba.
Okay, Raphael Kwame Donu was so cool. Because that's so cool. Watching you live. Hi, and Mama Aduma na Aduma Frepon or Ting. Hey, congratulations, girl. Or Ting Ofori Francis is also watching. Collins Agbeko. I say Saben Boachi. I just love Counselor and Fidelia Nanabna Chow Ting. Now saying, you're making my day, Counselor.
Every Thursday, join us and make your day. And
yes,
then we promise that the telephones will be open for people to talk. Very, very important.
So
I mean, it's very, very important.
Calls. I'm making calls. Some few
it's
calls.
going to be a hot Thursday.
And who are questioning now? No bisa. I think
ask the counselor.
Yes, who are questioning be a no bisa counselor. And to bet me a friend 0204875875 and I say 0209 875-875 0204-875-875 and that's 0209-875-875. Madube Timinsu our tapie on 0500-875-875 0500-875-875 0500-875-875. Hello? 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 Miss I know what I'm ready, no. I'm 0204-875-875 and that's 0209-875-875. Oh, a question now, Emma Frey. Hello? Wouldn't me? Get a bonnet pama and I am called I bonnet pama. No, catch it one. Who worry or say who worry in the ya who date here and no dear. Okay, all right.
We hear you are sharing. We hear for now.
I didn't also hear the.
Said the air can is for 7 year canoe.
Now, say you'll be asking.
So I said,
hello? Yes, or no, we didn't maybe our for you. Oh, Franco Dum Radio, no. Hello. Franco Dum Radio, no Dum Radio. Am I feedback? Oh, okay. Okay, it's you. Okay. Okay. Hello? Me Pacho Dum Radio no. Yes, I don't didn't maybe our free. Me Pacho yet you. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Me Pacho, who are question next call now, me fan. Who friend now who new question now?
Contributions.
But the questions.
Maybe what's your contribution? obi ade ye wo mo so bi aka e na na do aban
Yep, paper questions more. Hello. Yes. Me patrol do radio no. Hello. Yes, you. Man, see the kind.
o see program ni a program a mpanyifo program enti member fit say member so say me menye panyi na so kosuti say Thursday bia de member.
Hello. Good afternoon, me do we didn't baby how free. Me patrol yet you.
Manen wale na sanko simple menko se opesa ohun se ohun onfaso man be wale asan ena kai se o wale na ons jai e ma na osesan obesesa wo na so betena ho se yire ni ense so mo maka no.
Okay, I think okay. Hello. Yes. Me patrol do radio no. Yes, I don't didn't maybe our free. Me that's it. Ebisi omra, ebisi mama, e man si council amra. And that man is egbubu e.
Ka fedi gaskia.
Hello. Good afternoon, me do didn't baby our free. Bonne pack my your time crash.
Ayo, usman to say you don't say. Yeah. Bibiani, there's nothing. Bibiani. Bia book bia oko sunsun wiase oko hunam wiase oko mremu oko bible mu bibia ntia wo bia nyame nka hwe wo bia dia kan grofo ya ni won kasa no nse won kra onka won sabema Medasi menya mafra program na so mafuto menya mafra program anti futo no
de time aso
waka bi wa tre wa bi eh wa bo 2020 wa ba sha mana wa ba ka ka ko yo to wa oba die tin be kan wan kana ka wa pa mo ehia ho wo ji ase the one in we the gidi I share trousers and now shot at the own that's a original so go with you is in the gown I shall wait here for to see the address I should phone here for Medimanuesi na every Thursday dear yes dear yet hano obi ankasantia me da 50 time started juma way from 2004 obi ankasantia me da obi a kire na adwen who show me to say catch the obeka ye or you be follower or di me chi de bia nti so tie me pa me followers ni say no musu banti afa no musu ade e to wa beba what ma say sisi ahwe Yvonne Nelson Miami nipa sisi abedani marriage counselor or see if you come buy diapers use condom good wisdom filled message atiefo mun share dem kan say mamu nyina afishapa Nyankopon emboa ye ne enkombra na afi ye for me counselor Truth Fan Club afuna wa elect president wo anum say wo bi me mpe president ohiani me mpe treasurer ohiani me mpe accountant ohiani wo anum say ogina yie bi am bra na be gina ne ye vote ma ba obi a wonte mase o ne menya abi so go ima na say na ware ye 0277 ni kunu kran pentokwa 609 644 0277 609 644 unti ade bia ase a frame na bisa rainbow for there mi fi akwa omo ne kura anya danfo me ba e no mo ne mesre me da mase bi hire bu nyina bye bye.
Okay, and I'm with you say me dey soko hima ku kwa me DJ salute right there bye. Facebook live I'll show you now kind to see. And I'm with you say enjoy the
every Thursday, join me on Rainbow Radio, and it's on. This is
you don't.
That's my current host for me on Rainbow
Radio. Okay. So, Counselor, I just arrived.
I mean, exactly from 10 a.m. down to 1 o'clock is locked down every Thursday morning throughout to the afternoon, and we're learning on relationship and marriage. Remember, the key word is that my road to marriage. I must marry too. And if you're watching me and things are not going well with you, the number is 0277 609 644. The fan club is coming. So Goyuma is going to be part of the fan club. Yay! It's not just for the single. It's going to be an award scheme as well for the fan club. Woo! We award those who are married and they are marrying well. We're going to do a lot of good things for people to happen and let it work for you. Remember, it's good for you to be married. It's also good for you to manage your singleness and get to the right time to get married. God bless all of you. Happy New Year to all of you. Whatever you don't understand, don't fight. Come to me on 0277 609 644. Greetings to all of you, the Counselor Foundation members. Thank you for your support. God bless you. Diabetes, asthma, call me and I'll give you the help that you deserve. Nanado, I'm waiting for my hamper. Love you.